As a farmer, I know firsthand the challenges we face every day. But I've discovered 5 proven strategies that can truly boost productivity on the farm. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about soil health. Healthy soil is the foundation of any successful farm. It's not just dirt, it's a living ecosystem. Regularly testing your soil can reveal its nutrient levels and pH balance. By adding organic matter like compost or cover crops, you can improve soil structure and fertility. This means better water retention and nutrient availability for your crops. Healthy soil leads to healthier plants, which ultimately means higher yields. Next up is smart irrigation. Water is life, but it can also be a resource we waste if we're not careful. Implementing drip irrigation or smart irrigation systems can help you deliver water directly to the roots of your plants, minimizing evaporation and runoff. These systems can be automated to adjust based on weather conditions, ensuring your crops get just the right amount of water. This not only conserves water, but also boosts crop productivity. Now, let's discuss high-quality seeds. Investing in quality seeds may seem like a small step, but it can make a world of difference. Look for seeds that are disease-resistant and well-suited to your local climate. High-quality seeds germinate better, grow faster, and yield more. It's an investment that pays off in the long run, giving you stronger plants that can withstand pests and diseases. The 4th strategy is embracing agri-tech tools. Technology is transforming agriculture, and it's time to harness its power. From drones that monitor crop health to apps that track weather patterns and soil moisture, these tools can provide invaluable insights. Precision farming technologies allow you to apply fertilizers and pesticides more efficiently, reducing waste and increasing effectiveness. By leveraging technology, you can make data-driven decisions that enhance productivity. Finally, let's not overlook the importance of proper planning. A well-thought-out plan can make all the difference in your farming operation. This means setting clear goals, scheduling planting and harvesting times, and keeping track of your resources. Use crop rotation and diversification to manage risks and improve soil health. By planning ahead, you can maximize your outputs and minimize losses. By focusing on soil health, smart irrigation, high-quality seeds, agri-tech tools, and proper planning, you can transform your farming practices. These strategies not only help you grow more and waste less, but also lead to better profits. It's all about working smarter, not harder, and making the most of what you have. Let's embrace these strategies and watch our farms thrive.